Translational medicine is a way of performing science and a way of performing medicine. It basically takes the problem of the patient at the bedside and moves it to the basic science research lab. And in fact, it goes in both directions. So you have clinicians who look after patients asking questions and having basic scientists help answer those questions. And you have basic scientists who have observations about disease, who are working with patients and patient material to find solutions and cures.
So TIME is an acronym for the Translational Institute of Medicine, and this is our new progressive virtual research institute. And the goals here are to bring together the expertise of scientists within the Department of Medicine and across the faculty and the university itself to enable us to follow our research questions at the highest level.
There are three components to TIME that really need to be drawn out. Firstly, we're interested in bringing world-class, state-of-the-art research. Secondly, we're very interested in education, and as a result we have the TMED program, which is bringing a new generation of translational scientists to the world. Thirdly, we have the TIME network. And the TIME network is important because it captures the breadth of translational research that already exists at Queen's University.
Queen's needs time, and indeed any university needs time, because resources are precious. This is a small university and we aspire to become a leading research-intensive university, not only in Canada but in the world.
TIME captures what already exists and gives it a name, and allows strategic development to ensure that translational medicine is a priority for the research community that's already here.
TIME helps translational medicine at Queen's in that it brings it to life through trainees, infrastructure, and connectivity. The death of a scientist is to be left alone in their lab with no partners, no resources. In contrast, vibrancy is breathed into a lab when there are lots of partners.
TIME has already made tremendous successes in its very early history. It's brought together over 200 research scientists in the university, and it's also created a large number of state-of-the-art research platforms that cut across many disciplines and have allowed a very rich research environment for all of its members.
The TMED course run by Dr. Paula James selects from a very talented field of master's and PhD candidates, brings them into the lab, teaches them through interesting courses in which they interact with patients.
TIME has allowed incubator grants, which have facilitated not just individual translational researchers, but teams of researchers that are cross-disciplinary to apply for funds to be able to address the most important translational questions.
I think the future of TIME will likely include future CFI applications. It will also involve the university growing in terms of the number of CIHR and Tri-Council funded researchers that we can attract and retain at Queen's University. I think these are all results of having an enterprise like TIME.
At the end of the day, our ultimate goal is to bring new therapies and treatments for our patients, and this seems to be a very achievable goal.